791 Southern Gulf Islands on the west coast of Canada. And you said you're in Brisbane, Australia?
Yeah, QSL, Joe. Lovely to meet you. You're doing a wonderful trip also. I was actually beaming elsewhere and I heard you call. So, my name is Jim, Juliet, India Mike, and yes, located just north of Brisbane, mate, Alan.
Okay, Jim, good copy on your Q5. You got Joe here, Juliet Oscar Echo, and the QTH is in the Southern Gulf Islands off the extreme southwest coast of British Columbia. Number 9 Alpha Uniform 791. Can you please bring back your number again? I want to put you in my logbook.
Yeah, fine business, Joe. The numbers again is 43 Alpha 33. 43 Australia 33, buddy, Alan.
Okay, 43 Alpha 33. 43 Alpha 33, right?
Yeah, 100% there, Joe. Lovely to hear nice vision coming in this morning. Some good conditions seem to be starting up pretty early. It's now, what is it, 7:27 Alpha Mike Wednesday morning, and it's been coming in since about 6:30 this morning when I had my first coffee, buddy.
Oh, wow. Well, you know what? It's great to hear you guys in there because usually Australia and Central Pacific come in a little bit later, but we have 1:25. About 1:28 p.m. Pacific time here on the Southern Gulf Islands. Current temperature is about 8.5 degrees Celsius. Equipment I'm running here is an RCI 2970DX, handheld D104, and a Antron 99. Roger?
QSL, well, it's working well, Joe. Working well. All sounding good here, mate. You're well into the S9. So, fine business. I'm using homebrew, 4-element long boom, up around 13 meters, and the transceiver is an old 1000 Delta.
Oh, it sounds great, man. You're pushing such a beautiful signal here. I got you. This one's got the bars on it. The meter is the bars, so pushing the bars up to the end. Audio is absolutely 100%. So that homebrew beam is working just fantastic.
Yeah. Are you hearing much else in the South Pacific or elsewhere this evening for you, Alan?
Nope, you're the first contact from the South Pacific. There's absolutely nothing coming in except southeastern United States. So it was a pleasure to hear you in there when I came up to this channel. I was actually down on one of the lower channels. I figured, you know what, might as well make an international call, and there you were.
Yeah, I'm grateful you did. Joe, I was having a listen down from 385 earlier, and it's just a bit of a chook farm, so I enjoy it up here a bit more. It's definitely a lot more international, and it's so varied, you don't know what you're going to get, mate. It's lovely, Alan.
Yeah, absolutely. It's pretty noisy down on 385, so a little nicer up here on the free band, that's for sure. This radio here has been peaked up, so it's pushing about 150 whiskeys right now, so it does kind of help a little bit.
Oh, wonderful. No, it's doing fine, mate. I can't believe you're just using an Antron 99 as well. I mean, just testament that the conditions are right, mate. You can get anywhere, Alan.
Well, I tell you what, my Antron 99 is only about 15 feet off the ground, and that is no lie. And I have an IMAX 2000 as well, and also a high-gain silver rod. The IMAX is about 20 feet off the ground, and I have that hooked up to my other RCI base station, but I figured I'd try this old radio out, and it seems to be working, and it's definitely bringing you in very, very good.
Yeah, mate. Doing really good. Really good. As I said, it's about 7:30 in the morning here now, and it's been coming in for a beautiful day here. It's summer, but we've got this nice cool reprieve. We had very high humidity a couple of weeks ago, almost unbearable. And now we just got a bit of a southerly, and it's just really pleasant, Joe.
Sounds beautiful, man. That's where I'd like to be down under right now, man. That is the place to be.